When I first arrived at law school, I essentially knew no one. The environment was intimidating. Rumor had it that your first year of law school was the year everyone flunked out. BLSA provided me with the lifeboat to make it through that first semester and that first year.
The Black Law Students Association is one of the oldest student groups here at Notre Dame Law School. It not only has programming for Black law students, but it gets support from all of the other students, and it serves as a focal point for student activities.
It's not just a professional community, it's not just a law school club, it's a community and an organization that supports you beyond just professionally.
There is a real value in having camaraderie and having community, especially when you're a minority student at a predominantly white institution. It's something that already makes me feel full of pride just being associated with Indy Law, because it shows that the law school has had a commitment over 50 years to making sure that minority and underrepresented students have a place they can call their own.
Law school is difficult, and if you want it to be, BLSA can be your first line of defense against that. It can be the first group that you go to when you have these issues. It can be the group that you vent to, that you cry to, that you laugh with.
We now have the largest contingent of members of BLSA in the history of Notre Dame Law School. And as BLSA grows, you can see the growth of the law school around them. It's been a wonderful experience to see the way in which our current BLSA members enrich the community here.
One of the reasons that I came to Notre Dame Law School to start with was the network that it has. I found that to really just come at a whole nother level in the Black Law Students Association. There are people with my dream job that I speak to on a weekly basis. I want to see you accomplish everything that you set your heart to accomplish.
The main thing I'm excited about starting at Indy Law is just the different opportunities that are available for incoming students. Law review, moot court, the exoneration clinic, those are things that I'll look forward to trying to get involved with while at Indy Law.
I think black students should come to Notre Dame Law School because it will offer them an outstanding legal education. I think that they will experience, particularly with BLSA, an organization or a family that will support them and hold them accountable.
You form a relationship with this organization for life, and it will invest in you just as much as you invest in it.